If you want to import Google Contacts to your iPhone, then what you do is go to settings, scroll down, and you have to go to passwords and accounts. Tap on add account, select Google, and then here you need to enter your Google account. Then next. Now here you need to enter the password for your Google account. Then next. Now you have added the Google account to your iPhone. So there is an option here, contact. Make sure to enable it and then select save. So now what happens is, whatever the contact you had in the Google account, it will be synced and it will be saved to your iPhone. So if you go back to the phone icon and if you go to the contact, you will see all the contacts here that is imported from the Google account. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.